Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Masterclass, and today we are going to learn basic concept in geometry part 3. Okay, so the first most important note is there, that is means everyone pay attention. One and only one line can be drawn through any two distinct points. Okay, now pay attention here everyone. See, one and only one line can be drawn through any two distinct points. Okay, means when we have to put 2 points on the board or your notebook, so that time we have to draw only one and only one line. See, like this. Got it, children? Understood? One and only one line can be drawn through any two distinct points. Okay, means whenever we have to put any 2 points, so only we draw one line only. Got it? See, only single line we can draw through any two distinct points. Afterward, next 3 or more points which lie on a single straight line are said to be collinear points. Okay, now collinear point means what? When we want to draw one single line, okay, but when we got more than 3 points on the same plane is a straight line, okay, and when we join that points, okay, with a straight way, so that points are called collinear points. Okay, children, see, all the points are lie on the single and straight line, so therefore point A, point B, point C, point D, point E are called collinear points. Okay, so how to write the collinear points? So simple. When they ask write down the collinear points, so write down the answer like point A, point B, point C, point D, point E are collinear points. Understood everyone? Now the next, that is means non-collinear points. Now what is meant by non-collinear points? Okay, collinear points, all the points are in a single straight line, okay, and non-collinear points, those are not in a single same line. For example, those we have to observe in a zigzag way. See, 3 and more points are drawn here, okay, those are not in a single straight line. Okay, so therefore these lines or these points are not called collinear points. Got it everyone? See here, suppose I put the name there. 3 and more points are there, but they do not lie on the same line. Correct na? Those are not lie on the same line. Therefore, these are non-collinear points. Understood everyone? Okay. Afterward, the next topic, that is means plane. Okay. The next topic, that is means plane. Now, what is meant by plane? The flat surface is called plane. Flat surface. Now, see, this is our blackboard. Okay. And this is a very flat and smooth surface. Therefore, the flat surface is called plane. Okay. And the diagram of that like this. Got it, children? The plane surface is called, the flat surface is called plane. See your desk, flat surface is there. The wall, flat surface is there. So that flat surface, in mathematics, the flat surface is called plane. Understood, children? Thank you.